In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off crossplay matchmaking in Destiny 2 on Xbox and PlayStation, and you can't do it on Steam. So, what you want to do is press Start on your controller and navigate over to the settings cogwheel in the top right. Then, what you want to do is select gameplay on the left sidebar. And if you're on PlayStation, you will find a crossplay matchmaking option at the bottom here, and you'll be able to toggle this feature off. Now, if you're on Xbox, it's a little bit more tedious. What you want to do is press the X button and go to Home. Then you want to go to the Settings cogwheel in the top right. From here, scroll over from General and go to Online Safety and Family, and Privacy and Online Safety. And then we're going to go to Xbox Privacy. From here, go to View Details and Customize, and then go to Communication and Multiplayer. And here's where you'll have the ability to block cross network play. But do bear in mind you'll have to toggle this feature on or off anytime that you want to play with crossplay on or off for all your different games. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.